Tahoma River look like right now?
Can I just interrupt this real quick? That car just tried to pass through, stopped by the officer.
Go around
And
the
told-
truck to go through.
Oh, no.
Probably insisted on trying to travel through, had to be stopped, and then now he's backing up.
What a fill in the blank.
Yeah.
Did you see the tow truck would be your first red flag?
Right.
Like,
I
maybe
mean,
I shouldn't try.
Some people just want, they need to get to where they need to get to, and they think they can. This is the challenge, though, when you see drivers and you need to get to destination, and
my car would
you
make it.
insist. Yeah.
No, I wouldn't even want to risk it.
No.
You know?
Yeah, a lot of people are willing to risk it, but I just needed to bring that to you in real time
I'm glad you did.
No.
Yeah.
because people are still trying to pull that kind of move.
No.
Do it.
Seeing that the rain has calmed down a little bit.
Over half of all flood deaths occur for people and vehicles. So over half. And I think it's even half of that are people that challenge it over bridges specifically. Because one, that's near the fastest moving water, and many locations that actually gets just knocked out in general.